Hi everyone, yo, what's up? So today we are in Single Fin, Uluwatu, in area of Suluban Beach, Blue Point. And I think that it is low tide, but slowly will be high tide. Look at this amazing beach with a cliff like this. Wow.
So cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then if you are facing up, actually there are some bars. That's where it's Single Fin. However, today it's a little bit cloudy. Mostly people coming here for making pictures and surfing because of beautiful beach actually through the rocks like this one, rocks formations everywhere. Actually cliff. Look at these constructions like this one and everything. So cool. And of course surfers coming like this one. You can in and out here. Long time ago it was secret spot. However, the secret spot is not so much anymore. So I think it's not
There is no
anymore.
secret spot anymore in Bali. I think that every single corner is already tourist place. And I don't know, maybe still some places in the West Bali
in
or
Negaro.
the East or North, yeah.
Like
But
this
in the
one.
South, I think that already people coming.
Yeah. Anyways, as I mentioned previously, people coming here to enjoy surfing and making pictures. Up to you. What do you prefer more? You can make a picture, so you can come surfing. Up to you. And yeah, there are bars everywhere. Actually, around today is a little bit cloudy weather, but that's okay. Just no sunset. But surfing is the most actually important thing here. We wearing shoes, that's why we run. But even if you are not surfing, or either you are not into, like making pictures on Instagram or anything like this one, it's still cool to come here because first of all you can have bars upstairs and everything, but this rock cliff formations is actually very unique. Not so many places like this one in Bali. Definitely worth to come. Even just have a look. How does it look like if you've never been here? The only problem, the stairs are there very.
The stairs actually, and then I think that mostly the younger generation of the tourists coming here, and then
But yeah,
mostly.
but still worth to come. This rocks, actually cliffs rocks, it's really cool stuff here. Also was rainy recently today, maybe that's why it's quieter and cloudy. You can feel like water is dropping from the cliffs actually. I don't know if you can see it. Oh yes, here, like this one over here. So it's actually very cool. And yeah, well, still some people coming. I think now it's time to go up, show the people the stairs, what we pass to come here and enjoy some drink. Normally, actually, during the conditions like beautiful weather and everything, there's so many like sellers selling the beers, coconuts and waters, but it seems like not today. Also, you can cross, try to pass these rocks underneath, and there is the another beach. So it's cool. Very cool place.
Yeah, but today I don't think that we go there because
it's almost night actually.
Yeah, already 6-7 p.m.
Yeah.
So better
Have
we
to
just
go
go up.
If you would like to walk a little bit more further, you can go up there, and there is like a swimming pool built on the rocks and one bar overlooks like this one. And I'm surprised as it's pretty quiet today. I mean, not so many people. And this is one of the stairs what we have to go up now. So well, you have to be really pretty fit to go up. I have to confess that, but surfers have no problem. How about you? Tiring?
Let's try.
The stairs actually are very narrow, and you have just PCV barriers, like yes, they are here. But imagine long time ago people are climbing through the rocks just to get here, so nothing to complain. Still stairs better than no stairs. But I'm gonna tell you, looks like this one actually, very narrow. In case if you're interested, what's the name of the beach here? It's called Pantai Suluban. However, N is missing, and that everything here used to look better a little bit long time ago. Now I don't know, it's like a little bit empty.
I think that it is a low season nowadays here, and even in Uluwatu
And
normally
post-pandemic times.
But yeah, not really busy. Let's go, honey.
Okay, let's go. And that's the little surfer village here. Normally they have photographers here, but maybe not today. Some people, of course, coming in and out, going to the beach, or surfers. These shops, all of them, they were photographers during before pandemic times. Actually, I remember that. And the village looks like this one today, surfer village. Honestly, well, I'm not gonna lie to you, doesn't look very optimistic. looks exactly the same like during the pandemic times, or maybe even worse, because it was busier. I remember they have so many renovations,
Renovation.
construction, so it's the hope as something will change, but well, looks like this one today. Really not much. Also here this warung was open last time when I was here, so we are in the halfway. Down there everything looks like this one, but on the top of it is famous single fin bar, always busy, and is busy today as well because we passed already. We have to always pass everything down. We're gonna go there, grab some drink.
Yeah, let's
Actually
go.
tiring. Luckiest it's not sunny today, actually. That helps a lot. The halfway view of the ocean and the surfers. Also not so many surfers today. This is the swimming pool and bar what I was thinking, I was talking about. There's some warung here open, some surfers I believe. And there, and here is a place where you could buy some souvenirs, some merchandises. Aunties doing the massage after surfing. Many of you guys who surfing know the pain. You needed some bar, and then you're going up. But going up today, surprisingly, everything is under the construction. And of course the stairs like this one, going up. But I have to confess that if you are a surfer, surfers have a good conditions. Going here every single day, no sweat at all. And the construction like this one, bamboo and all of this stuff. Yo, what's up? How you doing? And yeah. So, you keeping all right?
Yes, oh my god.
A little bit tough, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how does it look like. Also for everybody on my YouTube channel who are into building construction industry, this is how they're doing in Bali. So, little bit different in Western countries, I'm gonna tell you, I'm sure. And there is the builder between these bamboo sticks, many actually of them. And yeah, still going up. A lot of stairs. Upstairs there is the single fin. This is still so many stairs. Normally there are monkeys on these roofs, but recently everything is under the construction. When I was last time, it wasn't like that. Totally different today. Totally different. Changes are coming, for better, for worse. I don't know. But a lot of construction everywhere. Actually, something different. Something totally different. Looks not optimistic today, but gonna looks probably better when they finish. There is actually brand new place. You just have to walk a little bit. Italian restaurant, looking very good. I didn't even know as they built something new. So probably everything gonna be modern like this one in the nearest future. That's the newest trend in single fin. I'm pretty sure about that. The name of the place like this one. Having little break. Actually it's tough to going down and up. It's lucky as it's not sunny, right? Because
Yes.
it will be very hot, but it's still tough. Considering as there is brand new restaurant and they are still building something and everything here is like under the construction. And considering that the first restaurant here was built in 2010 circa, I think everything gonna be very modern now. Everything gonna be very modern and fancy looking. So yeah, let me know in the comment section what do you think. As always, but it's changing a lot and it's no difference here in the area of Blue Point in Uluwatu, right?
Yeah, so I was scanning the menu here.
Pretty pricey, I'm gonna tell you.
If somebody asks us how is the price currently in Bali? Pricey.
The struggle is real. No, I mean, it's a little bit pricey. I mean, let's see and let's see what the future gonna bring to this place.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the bar. Let's go to have some drink for $5. And of course, we are talking of the tourist areas, tourist attraction, hyped places. They're getting pricey here. Of course, don't worry guys, if you are low budget, you can still find nasi jingo in Denpasar for 5K or nasi campur for 10, 15 or nasi goreng and all of this stuff. But, well, we are talking of what is in Uluwatu, in single fin with the ocean view and stuff.
Well, yeah, depends where you want to live. If you want to live in tourist area, of course the price is getting pricey. But if you want to live in Denpasar,
And having local lifestyle.
being local lifestyle
Which
like
is
me,
totally different.
I'm going to the market, buying nasi jingo, kopi. Nasi jingo 5K, kopi, and yeah.
Copy Bali for 2K, 3K, stuff like this one. Here is a little bit of the history of this place. This is how it was everything looking long time ago when there was no stairs and no buildings here. It was totally different.
this one, the
Exactly,
hill.
exactly. Looks was like this. So nothing here, and some surf. Maybe some of you actually on here's this picture. I don't know. And this one, and the kids, and this one. So lovely actually, but it's just the memory. Definitely worth to show you. Or like this one, people were surfing and party here. This is already a little bit newer, I think. And this, so cool. Piece of memory. Okay, let's go to Single Fin then. And this is inside the Single Fin bar with Aloha sign. It's not Hawaii, it's Bali, but surfer vibe. And busy, of course, obviously busy. A lot of people from all around the world here, everywhere. And here is how does it look like, the observation deck with so many people enjoying. Unfortunately, no sunset on today's occasion. However, still so many people everywhere around. Actually, full house packed, enjoying their time. The swimming pool, the vibes, also overlooking all of this construction here right now. So that's gonna be very interesting what's gonna look like here in the nearest future, isn't it, Zaya?
Yeah,
Okay.
let's go there. All right, so this is actually how is the pool situation. So yeah, quite many people are enjoying the time by the pool, enjoying the music, and also people over there actually enjoying the food. And actually there is no sunset today, but yeah, some people just coming for enjoying dinner, breeze, ocean breeze. I think this downstairs, if you still remember our previous videos about Single Fin, used to be, live DJs and people are enjoying the time, dinner, place for dancing, something like that. But I think it's closed for the renovation, but they're only on the top and the swimming pool are open for the visitors. So yeah, what I can say that mostly the visitors here kind of a young tourists from many different countries. So, and also I think the kids also come here. And here it is. We will grab a seat and enjoying our dinner here in Uluwatu. So nice, and look at the lights over there. I think that's the fisherman boat, and yeah, very nice. All right, I think our food is here ready, and then we will have a dinner. That's it for the Uluwatu. For those of you who have been asking about Uluwatu, this is how it is today. It's not as packed as previously, but yeah, some people are here. So thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye. Pizza time.
Pizza.